Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 3, Day 3. I'm going to be saying a word and changing one of the sounds in the word to make a new word. So here's my first one. Band. Change the a to e. Bend. Okay, let's do some more. Tank. Change the t to s. Sank. Hint. Change the h to t. Tint. Lost. Change the ul to k. Cost. Hunt. Change the t to k. Hunk. Limp. Change the I to a. Lamp. Send. Change the d to t. Scent. Band. Change the b to s. Sand. Past. Change the a to e. Pest. Blend. Change the e to a. Blonde. Nice job, friends. Okay, we are looking at verbs. Remember, a verb is an action, and we're adding the ing to a lot of these words. Oh, let me change my marker to green. Okay, so the ing tells me it's happening right now. So this is a review. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds, then we'll read it. 3, 2, 1, jumping. 3, 2, 1, yelling. 3, 2, 1, hunting. 3, 2, 1, resting. 3, 2, 1, asking. 3, 2, 1, bumping. 3, 2, 1, spelling. And last one, 3, 2, 1, bending. So ing tells me the action is happening right now. Okay, let's blend. Word, stump. Okay, now I'm going to let you do one. Blend, word, end. Together, sunk. What's the word? Sunk. Unk. Okay, your turn. Ooh, this one's tricky. Word, drink. Remember, what does ink say? Ink. Okay, we're going to do we'll do some together and then we'll let you have a turn. Okay, together, rest. What's the word? Rest. Now your turn. Blend. Word, pond. Together, jump. Word, jump. Your turn. Word, ant. Together, and. Word, and. Please don't forget the d, or else it says and. Your turn. Word, land. Look, we just added an ul. Okay, together, rent. Word, rent. Your turn. Word, dusk. Dusk is when the sun is almost is setting. Is setting. Okay, together. Brand. Word, brand. Your turn. Word, disc. Here we go. Together. Past. Word, past. Now this time they want you to do it in your head. Remember, ing means we have a verb and it's happening right now. Okay, you go first. 3, 2, 1, hunting. 3, 2, 1, bending. 3, 2, 1, printing. It's happening right now. 3, 2, 1, jumping. Ooh, here's my ink. 3, 2, 1, drinking. 3, 2, 1, planting. Okay, here's some more. 3, 2, 1, asking. 3, 2, 1, standing. Ooh, here's the F. 3, 2, 1, sweated. Oh, ed means it happened in the past. It's not happening now anymore. It's happening in the past. 3, 2, 1, buzzed. Okay. 3, 2, 1, stuffed. Now, even though it says t, it's still a ed. Ed means something happened in the past. So a stuffed animal means it was stuffed in the past. ing means it's happening right now. Okay, let's look at this next word. This is not in the past, and it's not happening right now. It's not even a verb. Let's read it. 3, 2, 1. It's. So that could be it is. Contraction. Okay, let's read this. A capital either is a name at the beginning of a sentence or both. Let's read this. Ask. Is ask a name? No. So it's the beginning of a sentence. Okay, let's read it. Ask Gus to dust the lamp. Together. Ask Gus to dust the lamp. Do we have a capital? Yes. Where else do we have a capital? Gus, right? Gus is a name. So we want to make sure whenever there's a name, we have to put a capital. Finger space, yes. Legible, yes. Spelling, yes. And my end mark today, 3, 2, 1, period. It's just a statement. I'm telling you something. Okay, let's go to the next one. Fix the tent and we can go camping. Ooh, there's a verb. Camping right now. Okay, let's read it together. Fix the tent and we can go camping. Okay, do I have my capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible, I can read it? Yes. Spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. What's my end mark? 3, 2, 1, period. Okay, here are my high frequency words. 5 times. Like. What do you like to eat? Where? Where do you want to go? There. There is the house. Get. I will get a new pencil. This. Who is this? Okay, here's our story. In the land of grass. Look how neat that looks. That is in Africa. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. As. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Who. 3, 2, 1. Eat. And EA, when 2 vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. E is first, so he says eat. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. Then. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, let's read this. Let me go down here. Okay, you're going to go first. Together. In the land of grass. Your turn. Okay, together. In a land of grass, it can run fast. Can I ask if you can go as fast? Can we go as fast as a lion? Probably not, right? Not really. Okay, let's go to the next one. Your turn. Together. In a land of grass, can it jump? Who can see it jump up? It can jump fast on grass. I think this is called a kangaroo squirrel. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, now together. In a land of grass, can it stomp? It can stomp and eat. A hog can eat a plant. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, there's a giraffe. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. In a land of grass, can it drink? It can bend and drink. It stands at the bank. This is a bank where grass, where water collects. Okay, your turn. Together. In a land of grass, big cats can rest under the sun. Then they will run again. No, the big cats will not stop. Okay, friends, so once again we're looking at a verb. A verb is an action. A verb is an action. So what is this verb? Jump. How do I make sure it's happening right now? We add ing, which says ing, jumping. Let's look at a few more of these. So ing says ink, so blink becomes blinking. Mend is when you fix your clothes. Mend becomes mending. Bust is like if you bust something, you break it, becomes busting. Plant becomes planting. Camp becomes camping. ing means it's happening right now. Okay, now let's talk about a possessive noun. A possessive noun tells who or what owns something. Okay, so I'm going to read this and please look for that possessive noun. A turtle's head pops out. Did you see which word tells who or what? If you said turtles, that's who. And what is the turtle's? His head. The head is the turtle's. Apostrophe S tells us whose it is. Okay, let's look at one more. The shark's teeth are sharp. The shark's teeth are sharp. So which word tells us who or what? Shark, right? And what is his? The teeth. The teeth are his. Apostrophe S tells us that it's the shark's. And what is his? His teeth. Okay, everyone, I'll see you later. Bye.